So if you got your creatives locked in, you win. Like that's the game, right? If you talk to Meta, they're going to tell you that creatives, like really strong creatives, can help you improve your performance by 7 or sales by like 7.5x, which is massive. And if you're using ASC, like majority of you all are, I'm sure, you need like 20 to 50 creatives per campaign, which is a lot. And why you need that is because when you have a diversified amount of creatives and the AI is testing that creatives, it gets a lot of data. The more data the AI gets, the better the results you're going to get because it's able to connect the dots and find patterns. So it's imperative that you have a lot of creatives and you have them diversified. You have different hooks, angles, different stages of awareness, speaking to different audiences, like as diverse as possible. So this is how I discovered how important creatives are. So what happened is I had a very, very important, high-performing campaign. And the campaign started to flatline. And this was like my driver. This was the one I was like really proud of. And it started to kind of flatline, and I was like, why is this not working? Like, I'm not going to go back and make another VSL. Like, we got to revive the old campaign, so how do we do that? So what we did is let's focus on creatives. Let's focus on getting more ads into the ecosystem to see how they perform and what kind of impact it has on the campaign. And what we found is that the same campaign went from $100,000 a month to $650,000 a month just by me putting more creatives into the machine. So that's when I realized that the number one thing I need to do right now is focus on producing more creatives. But then, how do I produce more creatives with the same headcount? How do I edit all these videos? How do I come up with all these viral concepts? So I kind of turned to AI and I said, OK, let me outsource this problem. So we created 2 AI agents. The first agent is called the Scriptwriter. So the Scriptwriter would go online and sift through 100,000 different scripts that are viral right now and would give me all the data and tell me what's working. The second agent would cut up all my videos. They would format it and resize it based on all the various platforms out there, because we know there's a lot, and would even add captions. So this is kind of how it looks like, right? So this is how I'm trying to problem solve. So first thing, I need to scrape the internet to find all the viral videos out there so I know what is working in the industry right now based on my niche. Second, I need to write all of the scripts, and then from there I can decide. I want to either get it filmed with an author, or I want to, hey-gen it and kind of get it done by AI. Then I want to edit and resize. So I need all these videos edited. I need them all resized in a click of a button. And then I want to test this. And I want to pass the winning data back to the AI so it understands what works and what doesn't.